Broadcast Media Workshop is a fast-paced, deadline-driven course offered to sophomores, juniors, and seniors with strong oral and written communication, as well as digital media skills.
Students in Broadcast Media Workshop produce the Bulldog Beat, Freedom Area High School's daily news broadcast.
To make that possible, students work independently and collaboratively to gather coverage requests,
compose short-form news segments,
conduct interviews,
develop visual projects through Adobe Photoshop,
Final Cut Pro X,
iMovie,
Wirecast Studio,
Adobe After Effects,
Adobe Audition and other software,
edit written and visual content,
set up, operate, and troubleshoot audio-visual equipment,
and hold themselves and their classmates accountable for producing a professional, high-quality daily YouTube broadcast on deadline.
Here's what you can expect if you join our team.
From writing and editing the script, to producing graphics and video content for the broadcast and conducting interviews, you'll hold every job in our program throughout the course of the year, as jobs cycle on a 3-week rotation.
Each week, you'll submit your best piece of work as you compile your own electronic portfolio.
Each month, you'll assess your own monthly performance.
And each quarter, you'll work individually or in a group to produce more substantial pieces of digital media.
You'll even receive your own press credential that will get you sideline access and courtside access to cover home athletic events.
One other perk to enrollment: broadcast media students in the top 25 of their graduating classes and who have been enrolled for 2 or more years in broadcast and/or print media and who maintain at least a 3.5 GPA will be eligible to apply for induction into Quill & Scroll, the International Honor Society for Student Journalists. First-year seniors who meet all other criteria will also be eligible to apply.
Your school.
your stories,
your source.
Broadcast Media Workshop. Welcome to the Beat.